Next, we are going to detail about the learning disabilities in reading, dyslexia. A specific learning disability that affects reading and related language-based processing skills. The severity can differ in each individual but can affect reading fluency, decoding, reading comprehension, recall, writing, spelling, and sometimes speech, and can exist along with other related disorders. Dyslexia is sometimes referred to as a language-based learning disability. Two types of learning disabilities in reading. One, basic reading problems, difficulty understanding the relationship between sounds, letters, and words. Two, inability to grasp the meaning of words, phrases, and paragraphs. Signs and symptoms of dyslexia. First, letter and word recognition. Second, understanding words and ideas. 3. Reading speed and fluency. 4. General vocabulary skills. 5. Reading slowly and painfully. 6. Experiences decoding errors, especially with the order of letters. 7. Shows wide disparity between listening comprehension and reading comprehension of some text. 8. Has trouble with spelling. 9. May have difficulty with handwriting. 10. Exhibits difficulty recalling known words. 11. Has difficulty with written language. 12. May experience difficulty with math computations. 13. Decoding real words is better than nonsense words. 14. Substitutes one small sight word for another. A, I, he, thee, there, was, etc. Strategies to overcome. First, provide a quiet area for activities like reading, answering comprehension questions. Second, use books on tap. 3. Use books with large print and big spaces between lines. 4. Provide a copy of lecture notes. 5. Do not count spelling on history, science, or other similar tests. 6. Allow alternative forms for book reports. 7. Allow the use of a laptop or other computer for in-class essays. 8. Use multisensory teaching methods. Thank you. Have a wonderful day.